been used by our greatest heroes and their darkest foes. Building a lightsaber is an art form. It creates a connection between the builder and the Force. And today, you are all going to make that connection. And our starting point is with this. The Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal harnesses and magnifies the power and energy of the Force. The color of your crystal will determine the color of your blade. There are many colors out there in the galaxy, but we have brought back 4 for you to choose from today. The first one, blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and today by Rey. Green. Once wielded by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Luke Skywalker, and Master Yoda. Violet. Rare and beautiful. Once wielded by Master Mace Windu. And red. The Crystal of Power. Darth Maul, Darth Vader, Asajj Ventress, and today, Kylo Ren. But this is all history, and it's time to start writing your story. So, first I want you all to close your eyes. I can see you, close your eyes, and envision